Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create a Selenium project in IntelliJ. First, launch IntelliJ IDEA and select the New Project option from the Welcome screen or File menu. Next, choose either Maven or Gradle as your build automation tool. This is crucial for managing project dependencies efficiently. Finally, give your project a descriptive name and select a suitable location on your system to save it. This initial setup is the foundation for all your automation work. Once your project is created, the next step is to add the necessary Selenium dependencies. For Maven, you'll edit the POM XML file. For Gradle, it's build. Gradle. You need to include dependencies for Selenium WebDriver and the specific browser driver you plan to use, like Chrome driver or Gecko driver. Always double-check that you are using compatible and up-to-date version numbers for all your libraries to avoid conflicts and ensure smooth operation. With dependencies in place, you need to configure your browser drivers. Download the executable for your chosen browser, such as Chrome driver for Google Chrome. You can either place this executable in a well-known project folder or add its location to your system's path environment variable. In your Java code, you'll then set the WebDriver. Chrome driver system property to point to the driver's path before initializing your WebDriver instance. This step connects your code to the browser. Now for the exciting part, writing your first Selenium test. Create a new Java class and within it, initialize your WebDriver instance. You can then use methods like get to navigate to a specific URL and find element to interact with web elements. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, execute your test to confirm everything is working as expected. Observing your browser, automate the steps you've coded. This confirms your project is ready for more complex automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.